Hello, fans. Hello, FridgeBot fans, and welcome to another episode of FridgeBot News. We're producing this one a little late because we have been very busy recently. We attended this past week, we attended the Shiawassee County Fair and had a great showing. We were there for 2 days. Other teams from around the county have also taken over duties working the booth at the fair. So it's been great. Lots of people have had very positive comments about what we're doing with FIRST and what we're doing with the robots. They were excited to see the robots at the event. Recently, we attended Maker Faire. I think they said that in the last FridgeBot News, but that was still very exciting. Lots of great positive impact, positive reviews, lots of people excited about robots. Upcoming events for the team, we will be attending the Ferris State University Robo Day. That will be September 28th, Saturday, over at Ferris University. We're also going to take some other teams with us. I believe Owasso is going to go along. Owasso Operating System. They're going to bring their robot along. We're going to actually put it in our trailer and bring it along for them so that it's a great joint effort from Shiawassee County. We're also doing an all-girls event in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I believe that's in October. We'll give you more updates on that later, but the team is shaping up very well. The girls are practicing. They got some drive time in at the Shiawassee County Fair, also at the Maker Faire. So these off-season events are really helping to train the team and get them up to speed for the new upcoming event. We are very excited for the January release of the new game, but in the meantime, the team has said that they're going to help the middle school build a middle school robot for this fall. So come September, there'll be a new release of an FTC game, and we're looking forward to having new team members on the middle school team. So if you have a kid that's in middle school in Corunna schools, have them come out, check out our robotics team. We'll be meeting on Tuesdays and Thursday nights from 5:30 to 8 and having a great time building robots. We'll see y'all later. Stay cool.